Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. What is Surah Ar-Rum about? A. Rooms. B. The Romans. C. Alcohol. Or D. Horses. Surah Ar-Rum is about the Romans. Question number 2. Who is the only woman mentioned by name in the Quran? A. Aisha. B. Fatima. C. Maryam. Or D. Asma. The only woman mentioned by name in the Quran is Maryam. Question number 3. Where did the first revelation of the Quran descended? A. Egypt. B. Kaaba. C. Cave of Hira. Or D. Prophet Muhammad's house. The first revelation of the Quran descended in the cave of Hira. Question number 4. Which surah was the first to be revealed? A. Al-Fatiha. B. Al-Falaq. C. Al-Baqarah. Or D. Al-Alaq. Surah Al-Alaq was the first to be revealed. Question number 5. How many sajdas are in the Quran? A. 12. B. 13. C. 14. Or D. 17. There are 14 sajdas in the Quran. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. How many surahs are in the Quran? A. 114. B. 140. C. 144. Or D. 414. There are 114 surahs in the Quran. Question number 2. Which surah is regarded as the heart of the Quran? A. Fatiha. B. Yasin. C. Yunus. Or D. Yusuf. Surah Yasin is regarded as the heart of the Quran. Question number 3. In which year and by what leader were the punctuation signs like Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra put into the Quran? A. 143 Hijri Hujjaj bin Yusuf. B. 67 Hijri Ali. C. 1200 Hijri Umar. Or D. 2 Hijri Muhammad. The correct answer is 143 Hijri by Hujjaj bin Yusuf. Question number 4. On which day did the first revelation descend? A. Monday. B. Tuesday. C. Friday. Or D. Saturday. The first revelation descended on Monday. Question number 5. Who is the only Sahabi whose name is mentioned in the Quran? A. Bilal. B. Ali. C. Usman. Or D. Zayd ibn Harisa. The only Sahabi whose name is mentioned in the Quran is Zayd ibn Harisa. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. Which surah, if read 3 times, gives the reward of reciting the whole Quran? A. Surah Yasin. B. Surah Al-Ikhlas. C. Surah Muhammad. Or D. Surah Al-Fatiha. Surah Al-Ikhlas, if read 3 times, gives the reward of reciting the whole Quran. Question number 2. Which of the following animals is not mentioned in the Quran? A. Giraffe, B. Camel, C. Spider, or D. Elephant? Giraffe is not mentioned in the Quran. Question number 3. Which surah has the name Allah in every verse? A. Surah Ikhlas, B. Surah Al-Hijr, C. Surah Luqman, or D. Surah Al-Mujadilah? Surah Al-Mujadilah has the name Allah in every verse. Question number 4. Which prophet's name is mentioned the most in the Quran? A. Muhammad, B. Ibrahim, C. Musa, or D. Yusuf? Prophet Musa's name is mentioned the most in the Quran. Question number 5. What does the Quran say about property and wealth? A. They are tests of one's faith. B. They are blessings. C. They are punishments. Or D. They will be given on the day of judgment. According to Quran, property and wealth are tests of one's faith. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a name used for Makkah in the Quran? A. Makkah, B. Baytun Nabi, C. Baladul Amin, or D. Qurra? Baytun Nabi is not a name used for Makkah in the Quran. Question number 2. What was the first surah revealed in its complete form? A. Surah Al-Fatiha, B. Surah Al-Alaq, C. Surah Al-Nas, or D. Surah Al-Kawthar? Surah Al-Fatiha was the first surah revealed in its complete form. Question number 3. Who took on the responsibility of protecting the Quran? A. Angel Jibreel, B. Prophet Muhammad, C. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or D. The Muslim Ummah? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala took on the responsibility of protecting the Quran. Question number 4. Which of the following is not the name of the Quran according to the Quran? A. Al-Furqan, B. Al-Kitab, C. An-Nur, or D. Al-Alim? According to the Quran, Al-Alim is not a name of the Quran. Question number 5. How many messengers are mentioned by name in the Quran? A. 400, B. 4, C. 25, or D. 70? 25 messengers are mentioned by name in the Quran. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. Which surah is known as Ahsanul Qasas, the best of the stories? A. Surah Muhammad, B. Surah Yusuf, C. Surah Al-Qadr, or D. Surah Nuh? Surah Yusuf is known as Ahsanul Qasas, the best of the stories. Question number 2. What is the importance of Surah Al-Mulk? A. Protects from the torment of the grave. B. It will save us on the day of judgment. C. It teaches us important lessons about wealth. Or D. It has the reward of finishing the Quran twice. Surah Al-Mulk protects from the torment of the grave. Question number 3. What does the Quran say about the shape of the earth? A. It is flat. B. It is perfectly round. C. It has no shape. Or D. It is geospherical egg-shaped. The earth is geospherical, meaning egg-shaped. Question number 4. Who is Surah Al-Kafirun about? A. Bani Israel. B. Disbelievers. C. Hypocrites. Or D. Liars. Surah Al-Kafirun is about disbelievers. Question number 5. How many springs gushed out when Prophet Musa hit his stick or staff on the stone? A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, or D. 12? "12 springs gushed out when Prophet Musa hit his stick or staff on the stone." Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. How many years was the Holy Quran revealed to the Prophet Muhammad? A. 30, B. 15, C. 23, or D. 5? The Holy Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad in 23 years. Question number 2. The Holy Quran is the last and final word of A. Prophet Muhammad, B. No one, C. Angel Jibreel, or D. God? The Holy Quran is the last and final word of Allah. Question number 3. The Holy Quran was first revealed to the Prophet Muhammad on A. Jabal an-Nur, Cave of Hira, B. Jabal at-Tur, C. Jabal at-Tariq, or D. Mount Sinai? The Holy Quran was first revealed to the Prophet Muhammad on Jabal an-Nur, Cave of Hira. Question number 4. Which surah is the last surah of the Holy Quran? A. Surah Kawthar, B. Surah Ikhlas, C. Surah Nas, or D. Surah Falaq? Surah Nas is the last surah of the Holy Quran. Question number 5. Which surah is the longest in the Holy Quran? A. Surah Baqarah, B. Surah Anfal, C. Surah Fil, or D. Surah Hud? Surah Baqarah is the longest surah in the Holy Quran. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. How many times has the Quran stressed about namaz? A. 300, B. 150, C. 230, or D. 700? The Quran has stressed about namaz 700 times. Question number 2. Who is the first Hafiz of the Quran? A. Prophet Muhammad, B. Hazrat Umar, C. Hazrat Ali, or D. Hazrat Usman? The first Hafiz of the Quran is Prophet Muhammad. Question number 3. How many times has the Quran stressed on alms or charity? A. 700, B. 350, C. 500, or D. 150? The Quran has stressed on alms or charity 150 times. Question number 4. How many rukus paragraphs are there in the Quran? A. 540, B. 600, C. 650, or D. 450? There are 540 rukus or paragraphs in the Quran. Question number 5. How many stages or manzils are in the Quran? A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, or D. 7? There are 7 stages or manzils in the Quran. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. What is the virtue of reciting Ayatul Kursi before going to bed at night to sleep? A. Takes away hunger. B. Gives you strength. C. You are protected from harm till sunrise. Or D. House in Jannah. The virtue of reciting Ayatul Kursi before going to bed at night to sleep protects you from harm till sunrise. Question number 2. Which 2 surahs are for seeking protection in Allah from evil eye and witchcraft? A. Surah Yasin, B. Surah Falak, C. Surah Ikhlas, or D. Surah Nas? Surah Falak and Surah Nas are for seeking protection in Allah from evil eye and witchcraft. Question number 3. Which surah was favored over the rest of the Quran with 2 prostrations? A. Surah Hajj, B. Surah Tawbah, C. Surah Muhammad, or D. Surah Yasin? Surah Hajj was favored over the rest of the Quran with 2 prostrations. Question number 4. Which surah doesn't begin with the Bismillah? A. Surah Hajj, B. Surah Tawbah, C. Surah Muhammad, or D. Surah Yasin? Surah Tawbah doesn't begin with the Bismillah. Question number 5. What is the name of Medina in the Quran? A. Makkah, B. Quds, C. Marwa, or D. Yasrib? Yasrib is the name of Medina in the Quran. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. Which surah of the Quran falls at the middle of Quran? Surah Al-Kahf falls at the middle of the Quran. Question number 2. Which surah of the Quran is that Allah mentioned Battle of Badr? A. Surah Al-Tawbah, B. Surah Falak, C. Surah Ikhlas, or D. Surah Nas? Allah mentioned Battle of Badr in Surah Tawbah. Question number 3. 2 chapters of Quran. One start with the last word of the second. What are their names? A. Surah Al-Infatar and Surah Al-Nabi, B. Surah Al-Naml and Surah Al-Qariyah, C. Surah Al-Qadr and Surah Al-Fajr, or D. Surah Al-Kahf and Surah Al-Ikhlas? Answer to question number 3 is Surah Al-Qadr and Surah Al-Fajr. Question number 4. Which chapter of the Quran caused the conversion of Umar bin Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, to Islam? A. Surah Hajj, B. Surah Tawbah, C. Surah Muhammad, or D. Surah Taha. Surah Taha caused the conversion of Umar bin Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, to Islam. Question number 5. Who was first to order the compilation of Quran? A. Abu Bakr Siddiq, B. Umar bin Khattab, C. Usman bin Affan, or D. Ali bin Abi Talib. Abu Bakr Siddiq was first to order the compilation of Quran. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. How many surahs name of the Quran have name of messengers of Allah? A2, B3, C4, or D6? Six surahs of the Quran have name of messengers of Allah. Question number 2. Which surah of the Quran mentioned milk in it? A. Surah Tawbah, B. Surah Falak, C. Surah Ikhlas, or D. Surah Muhammad. Surah Muhammad mentions milk in it. Question number 3. Which chapter of the Quran is described as mother of Quran? A. Surah Ikhlas, B. Surah Qariyah, C. Surah Fajr, or D. Surah Fatiha. Surah Fatiha is described as mother of Quran. Question number 4. How many times was the name Muhammad mentioned in the Quran? A. 1 time, B. 2 time, C. 3 time, or D. 4 time? Muhammad is mentioned 4 times in the Quran. Question number 5. Which surah of the Quran starts with the name of 2 fruits? A. Surah Teen, B. Surah Al-Falaq, C. Surah Nas, or D. Surah Humaza. Surah Teen starts with the name of 2 fruits. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.